Hi, I'm Lane Hickenbottom with Omaha Headshot Company, bringing you tips and tricks on how to get a fantastic headshot. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what direction to move your shoulders. So usually during your headshot session, we're going to do a number of different things with the direction your body's facing. Typically, we're going to have your head and your shoulders going the same way, that way, and then we're going to do this way. Everyone's got a different side that's the better side. But then also, we're going to have where your shoulders are going one way, your head's going another way, and then your eyes are coming back to the camera. Now, this tends to be my favorite. I feel like it has like a sense of motion. You can imagine somebody walking this way, and then somebody hollers their name like, "Hey, how's it going? Oh, hey, how are you?" There's just something about that kinetic energy that I love in a headshot. Hey, how's it going? I'm Lane Hickenbottom with the Omaha Headshot Company.